Deep breath. Look at my eyes. You gonna break it?
Okay.
Are you sure?
Okay.
All right. I want that confidence right through this board. Snap it hard. Why'd you stop? I don't know either. The board doesn't know either. The board doesn't care. Don't stop. There you go. Did the pilot of the Titanic have 3 chances to not hit that iceberg?
Okay.
How many chances did he have to not hit the iceberg?
One.
Don't fall asleep on your watch, Robert. And try and break board. If you can do it in 3, you can do it in 1. Next time, I